Homeowners living in high cost of energy regions and climate zones often struggle with rising bills. You want your home to be cool and comfortable, but not breaking the bank. You know the horror stories coming out of electric company about rising power rates. The latest trend is homeowners installing solar panels, but it's expensive, and let's admit it's not for everyone. The advanced whole house fan can quickly and affordably cool your home and will pay for itself in as little as a few months with money saved on energy bills. And to celebrate Columbus Day, you will get an additional savings of $300 off on installation. So don't miss out. Big savings are waiting for you. Click the button on this video right now to visit our website and get your free in-home estimate.